Just when it seemed like the pace of AI model releases was slowing down, Moonshot AI has surprised the industry with the launch of Kimi-K2 Thinking. This new model is quickly gaining attention as a serious contender in the advanced AI space, challenging established giants like Claude 4.5 and even GPT-5. In this video, we'll explore what makes Kimi-K2 Thinking stand out, how it performs against top competitors, and why it's creating such a buzz among developers and AI enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of next-generation AI and see what Kimi-K2 brings to the table. Kimi-K2 Thinking isn't just another AI model, it's quickly becoming a favorite among those who need deep reasoning and complex task handling. Early tests show that it can tackle coding tasks with speed and accuracy on par with Claude 4.5, GPT-5, and GLM. What's more, Moonshot AI has been steadily improving their models since the first Kimi release, and this new version is a testament to their progress. The K2 Thinking model is designed to excel where others struggle, especially in orchestrating tools and managing complex workflows. One of the standout features of Kimi-K2 Thinking is its ability to perform deep reasoning while orchestrating hundreds of sequential tool calls. Unlike most models that start to lose coherence after 30 to 50 tool invocations, K2 Thinking can handle 200 to 300 tool calls in a single task without losing track of the goal. This level of stability and goal-directed behavior is rare, even among the most advanced models from OpenAI and Anthropic. It's a game-changer for anyone building complex AI agents or working with long-context coding tasks. What sets K2 Thinking apart is its end-to-end training approach. Instead of simply adding a chain of thought module or bolting on tool use after the fact, Moonshot AI trained K2 Thinking to interleave reasoning and function calls from the ground up. This means the model can autonomously research, code, and write across workflows that last hundreds of steps. For developers, this translates to more reliable performance on complex multi-step tasks that would trip up other models. Benchmarks tell the story. On humanity's last exam with tools enabled, K2 Thinking scored 44.9, beating Claude Sonnet 4.5 and coming close to GPT 4.5. In agentic search tasks like BrowseComp, it outperformed both Claude and OpenAI models. These results aren't just numbers, they show that K2 Thinking is a top-tier model capable of competing with the best in reasoning, search, and coding tasks. And the best part? It's an open model, so anyone can download and test it. Moonshot AI has made K2 Thinking even more attractive by slashing API rates by up to 75% on input tokens. The Turbo version runs at just $1.15 per million input tokens, offering Claude-like intelligence at a fraction of the cost. For developers and businesses, this means you can access cutting-edge AI without breaking the bank. The combination of high performance and low cost is a major reason why K2 Thinking is making waves. K2 Thinking is built as a mixture of experts model with a total of 1 trillion parameters and 32 billion active parameters per token. The architecture uses 384 experts, with 8 selected per token and 1 shared expert across all operations. It features a massive 256K context window and native INT4 quantization, making it both powerful and efficient. This design allows K2 Thinking to process large codebases and complex tasks with ease. Most advanced AI models can perform step-by-step reasoning, but K2 Thinking takes it further by interleaving tool calls directly into the reasoning process. This means it can reason, call a search tool, analyze results, execute code, and repeat this cycle for hundreds of steps. Moonshot AI calls this approach interleaved chain of thought with tool calls, and it's what enables K2 Thinking to maintain coherence and achieve high performance on complex tasks. K2 Thinking uses native INT4 quantization achieved through quantization-aware training. Unlike post-hoc quantization, which can reduce performance, this method ensures the model is both fast and accurate. The result is about twice the inference speed with minimal loss in accuracy. For developers working with long chains of reasoning, this speed boost is a significant advantage, making K2 Thinking practical for real-world applications. Delving deeper, K2 Thinking utilizes multi-head latent attention, MLA, with 64 attention heads and a 7,168-dimensional hidden layer. Each expert has a 2048 hidden dimension with Swigglue activation. The model supports a vocabulary of 160K tokens and consists of 61 layers, including one dense layer. Its 256K context window is among the largest available, making it ideal for handling large codebases and multi-step debugging tasks. On key benchmarks, K2 Thinking proves its worth. It scored 44.9 on humanity's last exam with tools, outperforming Claude Sonnet 4.5 and nearly matching GPT-4.5. For math benchmarks, it achieved 99.1 on AIM 2025 and 95.1 on HMMT 2025. On GPQA Diamond, a graduate-level science test, it scored 84.5, putting it in the top tier of available models. These results highlight K2 Thinking's ability to handle advanced reasoning and technical tasks. K2 Thinking shines in agentic search tasks. On BrowseComp, it scored 60.2, far ahead of Claude Sonnet 4.5 and even surpassing GPT-4.5. In coding benchmarks, it holds its own against the best: 70, 1.3 on SweBench Verified, 60, 1.1 on SweBench Multilingual, and 83.1 on LiveCodeBench v6. While it doesn't always lead, it consistently ranks among the top, making it a reliable choice for real-world software engineering and information synthesis. A key advantage of K2 Thinking is its ability to execute 200-300 sequential tool calls while maintaining coherence. Most models lose track after 30-50 steps, but K2 Thinking was trained to break down complex problems, execute subtasks, and keep the overall objective in focus. This makes it ideal for long-horizon agent tasks like research compilation, multi-file code refactoring, and complex data analysis pipelines. Accessing K2 Thinking is straightforward. You can use the Moonshot AI platform for direct API access, with support for OpenAI and Anthropic-compatible formats. Alternatively, OpenRouter offers access without a direct Moonshot account. For those who want full control, K2 Thinking is open source and available for self-hosting via Hugging Face, compatible with popular inference engines like VLLM and SGLang. This flexibility ensures developers can integrate K2 Thinking into their workflows with ease. Moonshot AI introduced the K2 Vendor Verifier to ensure third-party providers deliver the same quality as their own serving. This helps users avoid performance drops due to overquantization or misconfiguration. At $0.60 per million input tokens, K2 Thinking is significantly more affordable than most frontier models. For coding tasks with large inputs, this aggressive pricing makes K2 Thinking a practical choice for production use cases. K2 Thinking is changing the economics of AI coding. With GPT-4.5 level performance at a fraction of the cost and the ability to self-host, it opens up new possibilities for developers and businesses. Its stability across hundreds of tool calls enables advanced use cases like multi-file code refactoring, research agents, and complex data analysis. For anyone building agentic systems, K2 Thinking offers a reliable, cost-effective alternative to the biggest names in AI.